Manifesting wealth, how the law of attraction can simplify earning money. Imagine waking up each day knowing that financial success is not just a distant dream, but an effortless reality. What if the key to unlocking this abundance lies not in relentless hustle, but in aligning your mindset with the flow of prosperity? Welcome to a transformative journey where earning money becomes as natural as breathing. In this video, we delve into the extraordinary power of the law of attraction, a force that, when harnessed correctly, can turn your financial aspirations into tangible achievements. By blending the art of positive affirmations with strategic action and a growth mindset, we'll guide you through a process that doesn't just promise ease, but delivers it. Dive in and learn how to effortlessly attract the abundance you deserve. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, positive affirmations. In this law of attraction challenge, positive affirmations are your key to effortlessly attracting financial abundance. Start with, money flows effortlessly into my life, to align your mindset with the ease of attracting wealth. Reinforce this with, I am a magnet for prosperity and opportunities, which helps you stay open to new income sources. Repeat, every day, I am becoming more financially successful, to foster continuous growth and confidence. Embrace, I deserve and welcome unlimited abundance, to remove any self-doubt or limiting beliefs. Finally, affirm, I am grateful for the financial opportunities that come my way, to cultivate a positive and receptive attitude towards money. By integrating these affirmations into your daily routine, you'll align your subconscious mind with abundance and create a powerful attraction for financial success, making earning money feel effortless and natural. Number 2, earning money. In this law of attraction challenge, developing an abundance mindset is crucial for making earning money easy. Embrace the belief that money is not scarce but plentiful and accessible. By shifting your perspective to one of abundance, you open yourself to receiving more financial opportunities. Start by setting clear and specific financial goals. Visualize achieving these goals in vivid detail, imagining how they will enhance your life and bring you greater happiness and security. This clarity in your vision helps direct your actions and intentions, making your goals feel attainable and real. As you focus on the abundance around you and maintain a positive outlook on your financial aspirations, you align your mindset with the flow of prosperity. This alignment, combined with actionable steps, ensures that attracting and earning money becomes a seamless and enjoyable process. Number 3, visualizing goals. In this law of attraction challenge, visualizing your financial goals is a powerful way to make earning money easy. Begin by clearly defining your financial objectives, whether it's achieving a certain income level, starting a business, or building savings. Spend a few minutes each day in a quiet space, closing your eyes and vividly imagining yourself achieving these goals. Picture the details, how it feels, what you're doing, and the positive impact on your life. See yourself effortlessly attracting opportunities that align with your vision. This practice not only reinforces your commitment, but also aligns your subconscious mind with your aspirations. By regularly visualizing your success, you create a magnetic force that draws the right opportunities and resources towards you. This mental rehearsal makes your goals feel more attainable and helps guide your actions, making the process of earning money smoother and more intuitive. Number 4, growth mindset. In this law of attraction challenge, embracing a growth mindset is essential for making earning money easy. A growth mindset means viewing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for learning and development rather than obstacles. Start by affirming, every experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to my financial success. This perspective shifts your focus from potential failures to valuable lessons, making you more resilient and adaptable in your journey. Embrace the belief that your skills and abilities can be developed through dedication and effort. Approach financial opportunities with curiosity and a willingness to improve. By maintaining this mindset, you're more likely to take proactive steps, learn from experiences, and seize opportunities that align with your financial goals. This approach not only fosters a positive attitude towards money, but also enhances your ability to attract and achieve financial success effortlessly. Number 5, taking action. In this law of attraction challenge, taking action is a crucial component for making earning money easy. While positive thinking and visualization set the stage, actionable steps turn your intentions into reality. Start by identifying specific actions that align with your financial goals, such as exploring new income streams, networking, or investing in skills development. Break these actions into manageable tasks and set deadlines to maintain momentum. For example, if your goal is to increase income through freelancing, take immediate steps like setting up a portfolio or reaching out to potential clients. Combine this proactive approach with your affirmations and visualizations to create a powerful synergy. By actively pursuing opportunities and implementing your plans, you bridge the gap between desire and achievement. This dynamic approach ensures that you not only attract financial success, but also make it a tangible and effortless part of your life. Number 6, creating a budget. In this law of attraction challenge, creating a budget is a strategic step to make earning money easy and manageable. Start by visualizing your financial goals and the abundance you wish to attract. Then, translate this vision into a practical budget that aligns with your aspirations. Begin by tracking your income and expenses to gain a clear understanding of your financial flow. Allocate funds towards essential expenses, savings, and investments that support your goals. Integrate a portion of your budget for personal growth and opportunities that can enhance your earning potential, such as courses or networking events. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay aligned with your evolving goals and new opportunities. By combining the law of attraction with a well-structured budget, you create a harmonious balance between attracting wealth and managing it effectively, making the process of earning money not only easier, but also more purposeful. Number 7, success stories. In this law of attraction challenge, exploring success stories can significantly enhance your journey to making money effortlessly. Success stories of individuals who have harnessed the law of attraction offer powerful insights and inspiration. These stories often highlight how focusing on positive intentions, visualization, and a growth mindset led to remarkable financial achievements. For instance, consider how someone turned a small side hustle into a thriving business by maintaining a clear vision and believing in their potential. Their experiences illustrate that with the right mindset and consistent actions, financial success is within reach. By learning from these examples, you can adopt effective strategies, overcome challenges, and stay motivated. Incorporating elements from these success stories into your own practice can accelerate your progress and reinforce your belief that attracting and earning money can indeed be easy and attainable. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey to effortlessly attract and earn money using the law of attraction. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspirational content, and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Drop a comment below sharing your own success stories or any questions you have about using the law of attraction for financial success. We love hearing from you. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Keep visualizing, stay positive, and take those inspired actions. The universe is waiting to deliver abundance your way. See you in the next video. Until then, stay abundant and keep attracting greatness.